Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone is not responding to touch, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix this issue. So let's get started. So firstly, let's start with restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your phone. Then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears to restart it. Now, secondly, if a specific app is causing glitches with the touchscreen on your iPhone, then you need to update the app to resolve this issue. For that, go to the App Store and simply tap on your profile. Then scroll down and you will get to see some update tabs option available. And if you want to update any individual tab, then simply tap on the update button next to it or tap on the update all app button at the top right corner of the screen. So after you update the apps, delete and reinstall the problematic app. Here, I am choosing the Snapchat for an example only. So, deleting and reinstalling the problematic app can sometimes resolve glitches on issues with touchscreen responsiveness. So, simply delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Lastly, go to the Settings app and tap on the General option available in there. Then, inside the General, tap on the Software Update and make sure that your iPhone is up to date in the latest version of your software. So, the thing is, updating your iPhone's iOS to the latest version can potentially address various software related issues, including touchscreen responsiveness problems as well. So, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.